Florida.
They stuck us in an area with no window. Like maybe.
I'll show you the little. I'll see if I can. Yeah. There. That's the window that we have. It's just a little bit there. Is it? Yeah, I guess that is. That's. Yeah. Not much of a window. Very full train.
But the seats are very comfy.
Super comfy.
Very comfy.
Very, very comfy.
And they can go back a little bit too.
And we got a charger here for charging up our phones.
Got a little table.
A little table that comes down.
It's not as funky as the other one was.
And there's a table. Yeah, see, look at that. Yeah. Yes. And that's how the table goes back up. Yeah.
Then you got a place to put your water bottle.
There's a place right here. Put your water bottle. We got our drinks. We got our snacks all in here.
I'm gonna go get some coffee.
Coffee.
At the cafe car.
It's like coffee time. Coffee time with Brent. This is the travel segment.
Yeah.
But travel segment with coffee time. But definitely, it's been a delight to.
It's almost like a greyhound, but on a tree.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
your accommodation on here. You've got your
air conditioning is
travel,
on.
and you get your food. You can get food on here too in the cafe car. Cafe car. I'm not sure where it is, but we'll find it.
The restroom is down there.
The stars won't come out if they know that you're about, 'cause they couldn't match the glow of your eyes. And oh, who am I? Just an ordinary guy, trying hard to win me first prize. Oh, my Candida, we could make it together. The further from here, girl, the better. Where the air is fresh and clean. Candida, just take my hand and I'll lead you. Oh, I promise life will be sweeter, 'cause it says so in my dreams. You know, the future is bright. The gypsy told me so last night.
There's not too much to see on our journey on this segment because it was mostly nighttime as we were going through between Orlando, Florida, like further on, and into Washington D.C. So then we have just a little bit of a layover. We lost a lot of time last night due to freight traffic. There was a delay there on one of the freight trains, and unfortunately we lost a couple hours of our layover time. And so with that being said, it just takes a little bit out of our itinerary, and that's okay. Let's just go with the flow on it. So here's a little bit of footage between Alexandria and Washington D.C. We're not in Washington D.C. yet, but just gonna show you a little bit of the scenery here just for you while we're traveling along. There's a lot of footage that I would love to have shown, but it's of course overnight and you can't see anything, and we don't have a full window, so I'm just showing you the best I can. On the other side of the train is the sun's coming up, so you'll enjoy the sunrise anyway, and in the footage that you'll see. Going across the bridge here though, which is neat. It's going to be a nice beautiful day. A little bit of overcast clouds. The temperature is going to be low 70s, I think.
room to do it. I don't know.
Our next segment after we get to Washington D.C. will be to Chicago. But Washington D.C. will have about a couple hours, almost a couple hours, so it won't be too bad. Enough time to go and grab a bite to eat for breakfast, and then just relax for the next adventure. We have to then get into the lineup for the next train too. It does give us a little bit of time for the next station. I'm hoping to maybe get some footage of the White House. Time permitted on that one. But we should be like 2 hours for sure if I can get up close enough. But until then, I will I'll take a photo here once we arrive in. Well, it looks like we might even be arriving in now pretty quick, going under a tunnel.
So hier, den Fransen, die Hunde da drin. Ich glaube.
Must be on the outskirts of Washington D.C. it looks like. Oh, and to somewhere. This must be downtown Washington D.C. I'm guessing. Oh, there's an Amtrak train.
Virginia Railway Express.
This train stopped.
Yep.
This train left. It's train run and train left again. Dynamo.
A little bit of glareness on the window. I apologize for that. Some of the footage here, but it's the best I can do for the footage on it. It would have been nice if the windows were washed, though. I mean, a little bit dirty. But I guess any footage is better than no footage. So that's the way I look at it. And that's part of the journey. Traveling on the Amtrak. I love the Amtrak. It's actually, what do you think, Sonia? Good ride?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Except for the air conditioning.
Yeah, the air conditioner was on last night, which made it a little bit uncomfortable for trying to sleep. The seats were comfortable. I mean, yeah, I mean, really quite comfortable. Announcement. Oh, we're approaching Washington D.C. Okay. The cafe car is now closed. That's okay.
So we could hold on to the layover now,
what is the current time on your one recording here right now? 8:57. So it's 8:57, and we were supposed to be arriving at 7:25 a.m. this morning. It's 8:57, but we haven't arrived quite in Washington D.C. yet. So we're almost we're an hour and 35 minutes behind schedule almost here. So I'll see what the time that we've lost, time we get in. So we've still got almost 2 hours. Our train leaves at 10:59. Yeah, so basically, yeah, 2 hours and 2 minutes. So, yeah, we lost a little bit of time, right? But that's okay. It's part of the journey. We're arriving at Washington D.C. As you can see, there's another Amtrak train sitting, regional one just sitting over there as we're coming in.
Ja, het nou die bestier.
We're in Washington.
Yeah, we're in Washington D.C. and we've got some time, a couple hours almost, to spend in Washington D.C. as a layover onto our next journey onto the which plane is it, Sonia?
Cardinal 51.
Cardinal
To
51.
Chicago.
That'll be our next journey.
And we have a sleeper card.
We managed to get a sleeper accommodation, and it worked out well in order to get that. So I'm looking forward to that. And so stay tuned on our next journey.
And we get lunch on there too.
Yeah, we
Okay.
get lunch on there. Yeah, so looking forward to that. So watch our next journey. Hopefully we'll get a lot more footage on that one. This one we didn't have much footage, so I apologize on that, but there's nothing we could have done.
Yeah, we had no window.
We didn't have no window, so the footage that I showed you was just through a small little window. Yeah, and I couldn't film over on the other side because there's people over there, and I wouldn't get very good footage. I got the morning sunshine coming up. Yeah, but the next footage that we're gonna have will be a lot better scenery. I hope so. Cross our fingers and cross our toes. It's just an aerial view of our journey, walking along into the building.
Gotta find the lounge. Amtrak lounge.
That's where we're heading to
Get rid of
eventually.
these bags.
Yeah.
This is the boarding call for Amtrak salad train number 2162, en route to Boston South Station with intermediate stop at Baltimore, Wilmington, Philadelphia, Bridger Street, Metro Park, Boston Back Bay. Passengers.
Metropolitan Lounge is over that way.
Okay.
Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Looking for the Metropolitan Lounge. It has an arrow pointing over to your right, so I guess we have to get through this part first, and then we'll get down there. Stay right here, and we'll make our way through this maze.
Seniors and business class right here, 182.
Washington D.C. train hall. Very big place. Look at the architecture in this building. It's so amazing. Do a little bit of a video footage here, just give you an idea rather than doing a bunch of still photos. But yeah, it's quite a unique place. I'm not sure the year that the building was built, but it looks definitely quite neat for sure. Here's an aerial view of the Washington D.C. area just outside the train station. Just to give you an idea of what we are seeing from a eye's perspective. And birds are flying by. Quite a comfortable temperature out there today, and there is the Capitol. These are the flags for the train station. I wonder if this bell goes off. Hey, look at that. Hey. Oh. 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 Oh, yeah. Ding. Oh, yeah, you hear that? Ding. Whoa, yeah, that's pretty cool. I was just giving it a whack just to hear if I could hear it go off. Yeah, kind of cool. I've never done that before, just to see what it, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania. Huh. The bird inside the building here. Inside the train station, there's a bird. Yeah. Wants to catch the train, I guess. Doesn't know what gate to go through though. We still have time here, but the bird, I guess, can fly away to the destination where it wants to go.
Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above